If your goal is to increase the conversion rate on your website or mobile app, user testing is the key to getting that done. And using Wendy's as an example, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's say that you're the UX design lead here at Wendy's. Your job is to get people through this menu process so that they can do a pickup order at a local Wendy's restaurant. You've got analytics data that tells you lots of information about what's going on, where there's drop off in your ordering process, but you don't know why. So come over to user testing and you're going to create a test from the template library. This is the easiest way to possibly create your first test to get started fixing that conversion rate. We're looking at the quick answers. These are fill in the blanks templates that you can use to simply launch a test very quickly. Test website usability. We're going to make sure that the process of building an order and submitting it for purchase is easy and usable on the website. As that UX design lead, you're now looking at the results of a study for which we asked people to create a tasty, customized order for pickup and place it in your cart. We're on the user testing metrics tab, which gives you visualizations for every question or task that you ask people to do during the study. I'm going to scroll right down to the task itself. You can see here, task 2, take as much time as you need to create a tasty customized order for pickup and place it in your cart. I'm going to skip over some of the summary at the top here and show you the interactive path flow right here. Every vertical line here that you see represents a page in the actual website experience. This works the same for prototypes. If you want to test a prototype or mobile websites, just the same. Every vertical line is a page. The longer the line, the more people went to it. So we can see that pages like this and like this and like this had everybody go to them, where pages like this did not. Now, what are these orange diagonal lines that kind of look like a barbershop? Those are AI detected friction in the application. Let's look here, and we can see this particular user had a number of points of friction. We can go ahead and play this video to see exactly what the friction is being caused by.
And single.
It looks like friction was being caused by that loading screen, the spinning wheel. So there might be an issue with responsiveness in the application as people are customizing an order for pickup. Each one of those little points of friction reduces the likelihood that someone is actually going to complete the order. We can also flip over to sentiment analysis to see if there's anything causing problems with the application. So this is toward the bottom of the funnel, right? This is all the way to the right. I see a little bit of negativity. Let's click on it. So we can see this person here has got a negative comment, and we click on it.
Well, it's asking me to do carry out. We'll do edit. And it won't let me click on the tile to edit these things.
So right as someone's about to try to complete the order, they're having a problem. So something that we are discovering on top of our analytics data is showing us why people are potentially dropping off at a certain point. They're not having a great experience, and it is impacting the conversion rate. It's as simple as that. In just 5 minutes to build and launch the study using the template, and then an hour for the entire study to fill, going through the metrics tab, finding the friction, finding points of negative feedback toward the bottom of the funnel, allows us to see why things are happening, to add on to our analytics data, and then make the changes that are required to increase the conversion rate. Super easy with user testing.